Good afternoon, my Los Banos peeps. The book orders, because remember we are trying out the new book ordering system with Follette. Our book orders were actually due last Friday on the 14th, but I'm late getting it done. And so I thought I would send out a reminder email and then also a reminder about where you go to do this. So I'm in the Follette Discover right now, but how the heck did I get here? Let me show you. So to get to Follette Discover, you want to log into your Canvas page. And on the left-hand side on the menu, you'll see this one right here, Follette Discover. Click on that. Now you may have the pop-up blocker kick on. And if that happens, it'll be at the top of your screen. You'll just have to click Options and then say Allow pop-ups for this site, right? But once you allow pop-ups, it should remember it from then on. And then make sure you're in the right term. Mine defaulted originally to fall, so I had to go and click spring. And then you can either choose to adopt the course textbooks that you already had for previous semesters, or you can add in different books. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, I am not an expert. You'll want to reach out and ask Blanca, but I did want to do just a quick reminder video on where to find the Follette Access or Follette Discover book ordering site. All right, bye.